Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have materials ready. Now set a horizon line and place one vanishing point. Begin by drawing a clean front square. This is the visible face of your 3D gift box. Use a ruler to keep edges straight. It makes perspective reliable. Next, lightly draw construction lines from the square's corners to the vanishing point so you can establish depth. Once done, mark the approximate depth along two opposing construction lines. This becomes the box's back edge. You now turn that square into a box by connecting the back edge to the square's corners. These lines create the side faces. Draw the top face by joining the top front corners to the corresponding back corner points. This shows the lid plane. Make sure vertical edges remain parallel to preserve the box shape. If one side looks off, shorten or lengthen the depth lines slightly so both sides converge believably to your vanishing point. Keep lines light for easy correction. You're finishing. Place ribbon bands across the box, one vertical, one horizontal, meeting at the top center. Add a simple bow by sketching two loops and tails, then refine with overlapping shapes so the ribbon appears wrapped around the box. Ink the final outlines and erase construction lines, then add shading on the sides and subtle highlight on the top to sell the three-dimensional form. If proportions seem off, check the vanishing point alignment and tweak the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.